Today we kind of have something a little bit different. We're not doing a delivery. We're doing a pickup. So something pretty cool. We're adding a new addition to the TFT family. Hold on one second, and I'll show you. All right, got everything ready to roll back. All right, let's roll it back. Okay, so let me show you the new surprise. This is a 2004 Dodge, as you can tell, Ram SRT 10, which means it has the Dodge Viper motor and transmission. Insert really big grin here right now. Look at that. Look at all the fender clearance. That looks good, don't it? Okay, so now let's roll it forward just like we're supposed to. I'm going to increase the gain on the brake control a little bit. We're going to put it in drive. And we're going to pull forward. Increase the brake control gain a little bit more. And that's all there is to it. She looks absolutely perfect.